364, I am beginning on my front plane, going normal to, I do need to view my constraints, so I'm going to turn them on, and I'm going to start at the origin with this 2.5 circle. Just about everything on here stems from this 2.5 circle. I'm going to draw a couple construction lines, one up and over. I will end up defining these. Both of these are going to have, it's going to be a large circle and a smaller circle off of this, and this will get mirrored to the opposite side. I might as well add in these dimensions right now. This one is 2.5 tall. I'm sorry, 2 1/8. The outer diameter is a 5/8 radius. So we're going to do 5/8 times 2. The inner is a 5/8 drill, and they are located 7/8 over. So that defines that whole part. I'm going to need a line at the origin over. That one is not defined yet. I'm going to add a tangent constraint to make that happen, and then I have a vertical line here. So these two should be tangent. Apparently that didn't work either. So I'll make these two vertical. That should define that piece. All right, now to get to the bottom of this, from the top all the way to the bottom, it's 4 7/8. So I'm actually going to draw another construction line and make this one 4 plus 7 divided by 8. That brings me to the bottom. I have a line here. I don't know the length of it. I just know it's at 45 degrees. So I'm going to leave that in place. I need to find the circle over here in the fillet. They are located 1 1/4 away from this one. The whole thing ends up being 1/2 of 5.5 long. So I'll draw this construction line, and the distance of this line, calculating this, it's from using the dimensions in the text, it's 7/8 from here to here, and then 1 1/4 over. So I'm going to just type in 7/8 plus 1.25, and that will find the end or the center of this. I add in my circle here with a 5/8 diameter. Drawing a blank for a second. I know there is a vertical line here, which will have the fillet attached to it. The whole thing is 1 inch tall. From the top to the center, this is 1/2 of an inch. And then all the way across, or to find the exact location of this, center to origin, and the whole length is 5.5, so it's going to be 5.5 divided by 2. And that gives me my line. So now I need an arc or a fillet here. So I'll just draw a line. The size of the fillet is a 1 1/4 radius. So I could select this line here, this one. Provides an invalid geometry for some reason. And this is 1.25. So there's my fillet. I know that this line here is 45 degrees and it intersects this line. So if I now dimension this at either 135 or 45, I can get the entire thing. trim this piece, and now mirror to the opposite side. So I'm selecting my mirror line, selecting my geometry, and extruding. And that is 364.